5 years ago, Splash set out to bring clean water, child-friendly sanitation, hygiene education, and menstrual health programs to every government school in Addis Ababa.
That's 537 schools and more than 650,000 students.
Since then, 38 additional schools have opened, serving more than 40,000 kids. When we said we would cover all schools of Addis Ababa, we meant all schools.
So we're raising $90,000 to serve 40,000 more kids at 38 more schools.
Let's do more in 2024. Help bring clean water to 40,000 more kids.
Donate today at splash.org.